Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your email on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and open the application, then click at getting started to create your account. And of course, if you don't know how to create your account, just go and check one of our videos on the channel. It will show you how to create your account successfully. So if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Coinbase application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow the tutorial steps, or as you already did, of course. So let's just wait for the application until it loads. As you can see, this will actually be our home, or our main screen on the application. So if you want to change your email, you would like to navigate into your account settings by just clicking at the three lines at the top left corner right here. So from here, you would like to go and click at profile settings here. And as you can see, if you scroll down right now, you'll have like a lot of options. So in this account option, as you can see, you'll not find any like emails or anything. That means you don't have a pro Coinbase or gold, I guess, Coinbase, because it has like members on this Coinbase application. So if you don't have this member of pro or anything, you'll not be able to change your email, but you'll be able to change your phone number if you want, or even add another phone number other than the one that you used to create this account. So unfortunately, you'll need to have the membership to change your email or even to add another one. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.